You can log on to Apics Barge by using a SeaPoint account. SeaPoint is the digital communication platform between all players in and around Port of Antwerp, of which Apics is a part. Have you already registered for another digital platform or service of Port of Antwerp, e.g. for BTS or electronic invoicing? If so, you may already have a SeaPoint account. In that case, you can check in the Access section of the dashboard on my.portofantwerp.com whether you already have access to Apics. No access to Apics? Then request access via the Manage Applications button. Still no SeaPoint account? Then you can easily create one via the following URL. Step 1. Select your language. Important, the language which you select here is also the user language for the application. Remember, you can change your language via your SeaPoint profile. The application is available in Dutch and English. Step 2. Enter your personal details. Step 3. Enter your company details. Check if your company has already been created. SeaPoint offers you corresponding companies. Step 4. Select the Access Apics and designate the activity as Barge Operator. Please note, you can only register for Apics Barge if you select Barge Operator as the activity. Once you have completed your registration on SeaPoint, it will be processed by the Application Manager and you'll receive an activation link by email. Please note that this activation link is valid for 5 days, so please activate your account in good time. Please note that the first user of a company is, by default, also the main user in the system. The main user may invite others from within the application. These new users will also receive an activation link. As a new user, activate your account by completing it. Subsequently, the main user must assign the appropriate user role to these new users. This happens under Manage Users. Without a role, you cannot use Apics Barge. From this point on, you'll be able to log on to the Apics Barge web interface or in Apics Mobile and embark on a digital journey through the Port of Antwerp.